Here's a quickie of what I carry with me to and from wherever I'm going, either work or tool meetings or vacation, what have you. Little Black& Decker toolbox, and I've got all kinds of. This side is my slightly unpopular turners, tensioners, and the such. And the other side is all the ones that I do use. These are the most popular. The L-bend ones, or the bent ones, and then these are the classic double-ended turners, tensioners, whichever. And in the box, we've got my picks and stuff. So, in the tray, got a couple of Mokies and got a thin offset. I can't remember where that came from or what the thickness is. Excuse me. A Medusa with no extravagant handle. You can tell with the little notch in it. And another thicker version of the same half diamond offset. Keys for the locks below. Some others. Got all the the monkey's paw. That's not the Medusa, the monkey's paw. All the Sparrow's wide-handled picks I have yet to play with. Pack of Moki turners that I still have yet to add the size collars for. Long reach just in case. Good marker. And you can't forget a pair of dick picks in two sizes. Yeah, the green one is the thinner one, and the yellow one is thicker one. I got the Moki Erg with the 3D handles. These are the flat reach hooks and offset. And I'm trying to do everything with a camera in my hand, so that's no fun. And the other two Mokis I have are the half diamond extractor looking one and the wave pick. And that is the tray. Inside, oh, I got more picks. Uh-oh. Jimmy Long up in the house. Let me adjust some lighting here. So it's a Sparrow's Vault with pin pads and the metal followers with the other pin pad in the bottom, and a pair of tweezers from Sparrows. Got some locks that I'm working on. These are not Petersons. They are the Dangerfield Serenity set. I haven't used these or don't use them frequently, but I can't part with not having them. I got these tweezers from Amazon. They're great because you don't have to hold the pin with your hand strength. Got the some more Sparrows picks. This is a 3D Lock Sport pin case. I cannot open that with one hand. Here is a pin tray. Oops, sorry, there's an add-on. 3D printed pin tray with core holder. It's got a nice soft felt-like bottom, just kind of nice. The little things. And the larger tool tray here. You can set the followers in the holes back here. Tweezers and the such go here. I got shims, 2 little baggies of shims wrapped up in here. There's a leftover shim from the last gutting I did. Nice little 3D printed pin tray. Oh, and then the back holds the gutting tool, which I got from Sparrows. And in here, along with my screwdriver, making a mess of my desk, my Mako M2. I carry with me several locks that I have not been able to open or have not been able... Oh well, I guess I got a problem with pack lock. Yeah, so the Red Bradley here, I've only done once. So brief little thing here is I mark all my locks with a colored dot, sticky dot, and anytime I pick it, it gets a little hash mark. So I've done this one once, the rest of these nil. This one I've gotten twice, and that's a Master 410 Lotto. The rest of these elude me as of yet. And here's my golden Buddha. This is an amazing looking lock. You get the little panel, the little plexiglass panel. And you can see all the little bits and bobs inside and how it works. I have yet to pick that one. And yeah, that's what I carry with me. It's in the trunk of my car or at my desk at work or here at home. Thanks for watching. See you on the flip side.